As we mentioned at the top of the newscast, 5 Oregonians have died since the start of the heat wave, 4 of those in Multnomah County. 1 was in Coos County. The state medical examiner is still investigating these deaths, but has said that they're likely heat-related. The Multnomah County Medical Examiner's Office is investigating 4 of the potentially heat-related deaths that happened this past weekend. Katu's Tanvi Varma is on the story for us tonight. Tanvi?
Well, Multnomah County has not released specific information on where these men died, and they're working to confirm exactly how. Katu is on your side, diving deeper into what we do know about the neighborhoods where they were found and what it means. Multnomah County is investigating 4 potential hot weather-related deaths that happened this weekend. 3 of the men died in 3 different zip codes on the east side of the county: the 97230, 97206, and 97216 zip codes. We spoke to people in those areas to find out more about how hot it really gets there.
I know like 92nd in Woodstock is considered like a heat dome, one of the hottest parts of the city. Thankfully, we do have some tree cover here. I live kind of close to Woodstock Park.
Longtime Portlanders have had to keep up with the increasingly hot summer months.
I feel grateful for the air conditioning and remembering that I didn't need it a couple of decades ago around here.
I put AC in after that year that we had 116.
We talked to Dr. Vivek Shandas, a Portland State University professor and a researcher. Dr. Shandas has studied geographical inequities at length and the heat islands they create in Multnomah County.
There's far less tree cover. There's far more intense roadway infrastructure. The major 205, the I-205 itself is a massive amount of asphalt and concrete that absorbs that sun solar radiation and amplifies it and makes those areas a lot hotter than any other parts of the city.
We've reached out to Multnomah County to ask what they've done to address these inequities, and a spokesperson sent us a statement reading in part, "In 2023 alone, Multnomah County, in partnership with community-based organizations, installed over 1,200 heat pumps for heating and cooling for individuals and families identified as high risk by the Department of County Human Services. The county tells us they've also planted hundreds of trees over the last 5 years and will continue to plant more to address heat islands in the community."
So we do have programs like tree plantings in place, though these take time to really mature. The best time to have planted a tree was 20, 30 years ago in these neighborhoods.
The city of Portland has also made strides. Last year, City Council unanimously approved a $750 million plan to reduce carbon emissions with an emphasis on protecting people of color. Dr. Shandas plans to look at how interventions are working to get those communities that have been underserved back into safer conditions. In the studio, I'm Tanvi Varma, K2 News.
Tanvi, thank you.